Do it, baby. We're watching.
Oh, I thought PC. I thought you were gonna hop one.
Yeah.
Did you want to TR this or lead it?
I want to lead.
Yeah. Okay. Give me a second here.
Yeah.
You're good. You're good. I'm gonna just grab the stick clip.
Big pole.
Yes, that is reference to phallic objects.
Penis jokes. They're funny.
Sorry, I'm a child.
If you ain't a child, then what are you?
That's why I always said there's no adults, only big children.
Yeah. Like, that's what I realized. I'm like, if you all are a-holes the rest of your life, then that's an issue.
Yeah, have some fun.
Yeah, I'm doing this correctly.
Yeah.
Try and make sure that they don't step in front of the cooler.
Hey Steve, do you hear when they said,
Yeah, I'll
What?
stand over here.
make sure they don't stand in front of the cooler.
I'm sure they don't stand in front of what?
What?
Make sure they don't stand in front of the cooler.
Well, that's clearly Brian, but what? What cooler?
His cooler?
Yeah,
Why is that?
because Mesa's filming this.
Huh?
Mesa's filming this.
Oh, I see. Oh.
I'm like, hopefully
What
the
cooler? What?
What? Is it zipped up? Is it not zipped up? Oh, do you have your, whatchamacallit? Because I'm a heavy person.
That'll be fine.
Okay.
I got you.
I trust you.
I
You do
got
this for a living.
I do it for a living.
That's pretty sad.
Come on, Mesa.
Oh, you got slapped on. Come on, baby. One more. Nice. Oh, yeah.
Show off.
Fuck yeah, motherfucker!
It didn't sound like he was jizzing right there. It just, oh, it sounds very aggressive.
Could you stop that video? If you don't mind. Yes!
Good job,
So
Mace.
good. Dude, I got up to that like last like bench